Hey, how's it going, guys? So there's a few things I want to talk about when taking care of your fabrics, when taking care of your actual attire and your garments. So the first thing is, when you're actually taking these to the dry cleaners, you want to make sure that you're just asking them to wash and then press. Don't add the chemicals. Do not tell them to chemically treat, especially if you're using natural fibers such as cotton. The quality cottons, because if you chemically treat cotton, they're going to get brittle, they're going to degrade the fabric a lot quicker, and you do not want that. You want to be able to take care of your garments as much as possible and get the best use out of them. The other thing is, do not ask for starch. Yes, it does look nice and crisp if you add starch. These do not have starch on it. Because again, the starch will get into the grains, they will get into the fibers, and they will become brittle. You're not going to get the best use out of them. And lastly, if you're going to be doing these at home like I did, only reason why is because I wanted to save some time, because I didn't want to get 2 shirts dropped off at the cleaners. Just hand wash them, lukewarm water, mild detergent, and then hang dry them. After you hang dry them, take a nice iron to it, and then you're going to have a nice, crisp shirt that you're going to be able to wear throughout the week. Again, utilize the shirts as much as possible. You don't necessarily have to throw them in the laundry right away. Get the most out of them as much as possible. You can get 2, 3, 4 uses out of them before you actually have to take them to the cleaners or to wash them. Other than that, look at longevity, take care of your garments, take care of your fabrics, because in the end, they will take care of you. Talk to you guys later.